Hello, friends. Today, let us know about general insurance. So, all of you are aware what is general insurance. So, we will just go through what is general insurance and what are the things which is covered under general insurance. So, what do you mean by general insurance? A general insurance is a contract that offers financial compensation on any loss other than death. So, this particular general insurance is insurance which is apart from your life. Any insurance which we take apart from a life insurance is termed as general insurance. A general insurance company always give a compensation and financial losses what is incurred by an individual due to car, bike, health and travel that will be covered under your general insurance. Here, the insurance company will promise the insured person to pay a compensation amount, whatever is specified in the agreement or termed in the agreement. So as per those terms of agreement, the coverage will be given by insurance company whenever there's a loss by an individual, which is who is covered under general insurance. This loss may be related to your damages of your vehicle during your accident period or any kind of medical treatment which we undergo when we have health issue or any kind of theft or loss by fire or any kind of financial problems which we may occur during our travel is covered under general insurance. The most popular general insurance which every individual know is health insurance, motor car insurance, travel insurance, home insurance, fire insurance, and marine insurance. So, what is this health insurance? Health insurance is an insurance wherein you can take an insurance policy and your health will be covered. Any kind of situation arises wherein you get hospitalized, your hospital bills and your treatment charges will be directly paid by a insurance company. When it comes for motor car insurance, motor car will be insured against the theft cases as well as at the time of accident. So this motor car insurance is mandatory for all the vehicles in India. So if you want to drive or if you want to be safe, and if you want to get compensated for unforeseens, which we cannot predict at any moment, so it is better to have motor car insurance. Travel insurance is your coverage during your travel. So anything goes wrong during a travel, a certain amount of compensation will be paid for the people who are appointed as nominees by the person who is traveling. Home insurance is related to your house. Fire and marine insurance will be generally taken by business people, wherein they will have their stocks in their godown and anything goes wrong. And if the stocks are destroyed, the compensation amount will be paid by insurance company. And marine insurance is when they travel on sea. That is again a risky factor. They get compensation if at all there is any kind of hazards which happen during the travel. So next we will check what's the difference between our life insurance and general insurance. All of you know life insurance is an insurance which is covered for a life of an individual. The risk of your life, anything happens or anything goes wrong with the person who has taken insurance, the amount will be paid for the nominees who have been selected by an insured person. General insurance, all of you know that it is not your life insurance. So any insurance apart from life insurance is termed as our general insurance. For example, the insurance what we take for fire, marine, motor car is termed as our general insurance. So generally, this life insurance is a form of investment because the span of our contract will be more and it will be for more than 10 years, 15 years, depending upon the contract which we are into. So it is one good form of investment because after the date of expiry, a lump sum amount will be received by an individual. And it's a contract of indemnify. If at all there is an occurrence for which the insurance has been covered, so that time the compensation amount will be paid in case of general insurance. And always remember, general insurance is for a shorter period of time, whereas life insurance covers for a longer period of time. For example, the contract may be for more than 5 years, 6 years, 10 years in terms of life insurance, but the contract will be ending within a year and you have to renew your insurance in case of general insurance. And insurable amount will be paid either for the person who has taken the insurance or for the person who is being selected as a nominee or at the time of maturity in case of life insurance. But in case of any loss which occurs in general insurance, it will be paid for the person who has taken up the policy and in whose name the policy has been issued. The premium to be paid over the years in case of our general insurance, the premium will be paid as a lump sum amount and it will be for a year coverage. Must be present, the person who is there as an insured person, it is out of his willingness, he will be taking a life insurance and he should be present at the time of contract. Whereas in case of our general insurance, he must be present both at the time of contract and at the time of loss. So if anything goes wrong, then a person at whose name the insurance is issued only can take the compensation in case of general insurance. But in life insurance, you need not be present because after the death, the nominees are entitled to take the amount what is specified in the contract. It can be done for the value based in case of your life insurance and the premium, the policy holder's willingness to pay or not pay. So general insurance, certain general insurance are mandatory for you to take. For example, if you are taking motor car vehicle insurance or your two-wheeler insurance, it is mandatory for us to have it. But in case of our life insurance, it is left to an individual whether he wants to get a coverage or not. And the premium depends on his willingness to pay or not to pay. So if at all he wants a secured life for his nominees and his family members, definitely life insurance is one of the best investment what we can do. And in case of general insurance, the amount payable under non-life insurance is considered as an actual loss suffered or the liability incurred, irrespective of the policy amount. So in case of life insurance, the place has to be has a component in saving. General insurance doesn't have any such saving component at all, because once you pay the premium only at the time of the incidents, the amount will be paid or else it will not be paid. So it was so useful to know what is general insurance and as well as what are the difference between our life insurance and general insurance. Thank you so much.